Right. Hi everyone. We are discussing about the first unit waves. Okay. Na? In previous session, we discussed about the introduction of waves. What kind of waves, like mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves, and several types. In classification, we are explain later. Okay. Now we are discussing about the wave parameters. Okay. Here, wave parameters is nothing but the express the nature of the that wave which is we are having. Okay, there are several parameters of wave. Okay, the first one is amplitude, which is represented by A, and second one is time period, which is represented by T, and third one frequency. Okay, fourth one wave velocity and wavelength, which is represented by lambda, and phase represented by psi or pi, and next last one path difference, which is represented by x. Okay, now we are briefly explaining about the each and every meter. Okay, first one is amplitude. Okay, amplitude is nothing but the maximum displacement occupied by the wave in its motion. Okay, now let us consider a wave particle and its in propagation like this. Okay, from this point to this point. Okay, let us consider as point A and point B. Now a wave particle moving like this, it travels from the point A to point B. Okay, here what happened, the wave can occupy the maximum displacement in the wave. Okay, this is known as the amplitude. Okay, now we can explain about the time period T. Okay, second one, time period. Time period T, which is represented by T. Okay, it can define as the time which is required to complete one cycle. Okay, let us consider this as a one cycle. The time taken to complete this one cycle is known as the time period. Okay, and now explain about the third one, frequency. Okay, in generally, what is the frequency? That the number of vibrations in waves. Okay, the number of vibrations in a wave or the number of oscillations can a wave particle can done in 1 second. Okay, in 1 second a wave can, how many can possible to vibrate? That's known as the time frequency. Okay, it is a reciprocal of time period. Okay, now for units for the frequency are hertz. Okay, or second units. Why? Because it is a reciprocal of time period. In that way, time period, what is the units for the time period? Is seconds. Okay, these are the three fundamental parameters of the wave. Now we are discussing about the wave velocity. Okay, fourth one, wave velocity, which is represented by capital V. Wave velocity can define as the displacement a wave particle can occupy by in time, in a certain time. V is equal to the lambda by T. Okay, here lambda represent nothing but the distance between the particle, and the T is the time period which is time taken. Okay, V can written as the 1 by T into lambda. Okay, we know that what is the 1 by T is nothing but mu. So we can write as a V equal to the mu into lambda. This equation represents the wave velocity of the particle. What is the units for the velocity? We already know meters per second or meter second inverse. Okay. For a linear density particles and tension in a spring, we can written as the now the fourth one wavelength. Fourth one or fifth one? Wavelength. Wavelength is represented by lambda. Okay. Wavelength can defined as the distance between two successive crust or trough. Okay. So we draw a diagram of crust and trough. Okay. This is the crust. This is the trough. How can define as a wavelength? The distance between the two successive crusts or two successive troughs. This is the trough. From this point to this point, the distance is known as the wavelength lambda. Okay, na? The distance between two successive crust and crust or trough is known as the wavelength, which is represented by the lambda. Okay, na? Or in another way, in longitudinal waves, it is in transverse waves. In longitudinal waves, we can define as the distance between two successive compressions or rarefactions. This is the compression. This is the compression. The distance between two compressions is known as the wavelength, or the distance between two rarefactions is known as the wavelength. Okay, na? These are the definitions for the wavelength, and the units for the wavelength is length is nothing but distance. So we can units for the wavelength we can written as the meter. Okay. Now we are discuss about the phase. Sixth one, phase. Phase is nothing but the state or position of the wave. State or position. Let a wave particle propagating like this. There is a particular position of the wave. Particular position of the wave, or here or here, or this point. It is represented by the phase spike. Okay.